All right, welcome to week 10. 10 weeks. Can you believe it? All right. So this week you are working on your annotated bibliography, which you learned about last week in week 9 in the assignment for the Glass Castle, and you're getting your OneNote notebook set up. So that's do that first, okay? Get your notebook set up and then start working on your bibliography as you read the book. So, here is your big reminder. You should be working on your annotated bibliography this week, so don't forget about it. And then, step number 1 for this week is all about getting your notebook set up. So, watch this video. This video is just a really good idea sent in by a student, actually, and I'm very excited about it. So I wanted to share it with you, but it's optional, okay? It's optional, but I think it's a great idea. And then step 2, you do this right after you set up your notebook, okay? Don't hesitate, just go ahead and take care of it. You're going to use this form to submit your link to your notebook so that I can access it. All of that is explained in the other videos. And then watch this video to learn how I will address rough drafts for this project. This video talks through this document right here, okay? So let me go ahead and tell you, steps 1 through 3 should be done all at the same time. I mean, not at the same time, but do step 1, then do step 2, then do step 3 before you leave your English setting, okay? And then read pages 62 through 48 before the forum on Friday. I have broken it up with suggestions on what to read by Tuesday and what to read by Thursday so that you don't get behind and you don't just have this huge chunk of pages to read before the forum. And then forum number 6 is exactly like forum number 5, where I have posted 4 different options and you just choose 2 of them to reply to, and then all of the directions are the same. And that is week 10. Your annotated bibliography is due, the rough draft is due in week 11. It took me a second. Your bibliography is due in week 11, so don't get behind, okay? We're stepping it up now. This is like we've been working towards this unit. So don't get behind. Please don't get behind. So you've got your bibliography, set up your notebook, you're reading the book, forum on Friday, and that's it.